This week's Parsha is Parashat Pikudei. In this week's Parsha, Moshe Rabbeinu completes the construction of the mishkan. In fact, the Medrash tells us that Moshe was very sad that he could not participate in the construction of the mishkan since he had nothing to donate, and he was not an artist himself, so he could not actually participate in building any of the materials. So Hashem found a way to get him to participate in that. After all the parts of the Mishkan were complete, Bnei Yisrael tried to build the Mishkan according to the instructions that Moshe gave in Betzalel, and they couldn't. Now, part of the problem was that parts of the Mishkan were incredibly large and thus incredibly heavy. Now, every one of the pillars of the Mishkan weighed between half a ton and a ton, and so it's not surprising that a single person would not be able to construct it. But you would think that all of Am Yisrael together would be able to put it together, especially since it was built to be put together, and later on in the Midbar is constructed several times. Nonetheless, they weren't able to construct it. Every time they put it together, it all fell down. So, fearing that they had sinned, and that's why they were unable to construct the Mishkan, they went to Moshe Rabbeinu. And they said, Moshe, why aren't we succeeding in building the Mishkan? So Moshe said, well, I don't know. I will ask Hashem. So he davened to Hashem, and Hashem told him that he should build the Mishkan himself, because the only way the Mishkan could be constructed is if Moshe would build it himself, at least the first time round. Moshe said, but how can I possibly do that? There are pillars here that weigh more than half a ton. How can one person possibly lift it? Just said, don't worry. You will make the effort, and I will help you do it so that it will construct itself. And indeed, that is what happened. I think this teaches us an important lesson. First of all, it teaches us that different people have different ways in serving Hashem. And these ways don't necessarily seem compatible initially. And that's why they find it very difficult to work together or put their things together. Because one person perceives the ideal of serving Hashem in one way, and the other person perceives the ideal of serving Hashem another way. Only a great and modest leader like Moshe Rabbeinu has the capability of uniting all these factions in a single grand service to Hashem. But even that cannot be done by human means. It has to be done with siyata dishmaya, with the help of Hashem. And thus, the Mishkan is constructed. Shabbat Shalom to everyone, and may everyone find their true root in Avodat Hashem with peace and unity with everyone else.